right, guys, I got it hooked up, so this should work for me. And it's a hot one today. It's not really hot, but I've been out here working. It's kind of warm. Turned our air on in the van, so when I get in the van, it'll be nice and cool for a bit. Yeah, this is pretty stable, like you can't even move it, so that works for me, because I'll be taking this bike with me to the O22 meetup, which is, if you guys don't know yet, is June 10th through the 17th at Joseph Stewart Campground in Southern Oregon. It's about 30 or 40 miles from Medford, Oregon, just north of Medford, Oregon. I believe that's where it is. I haven't really looked on the map. I've been past it several times going to Crater Lake, and because it's only 40 miles from Crater Lake, and if you guys are here, you have to go see Crater Lake. There's nothing like Crater Lake. It's beautiful. When you're looking at it, it don't even look real. Yeah, it is. It looks like you're standing in front of a green screen, you know, like when you look at it. I've taken pictures of it and they look fake. I mean, the water, I've never seen anything that blue. It's amazing. So today, I think for dinner, I'm just gonna have some leftover of the deer meat, manwich stuff. What I'm gonna do is put some on a roll and put an egg on top of it. It just sounds good. I don't know. I've been craving eggs lately. I don't know why. But that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. I haven't ate anything today. All I've had is coffee and water. Oh, and a cup of oat chocolate milk. I found some oat milk that's chocolate. It tastes so good. And so when I'm craving something, I'll just take half a cup or a cup of that and drink it. And it kind of gets that craving of anything that's sweet. And I don't really crave sweets that often, but I noticed I just drank a half a cup of it this morning. My stomach felt good. And so, yeah, I've been busy all day and just haven't taken time to eat. And it's 3:30 now. So what I'm going to do is get the kitties back inside and take a shower and cook some dinner, kick back and watch. I was telling you guys about Superman and Lois. Oh my gosh, the latest episode is awesome. But anyway, I'm going to do that and get back and watch something on TV. I've been watching that Freevee TV at night. I'll now I'm watching Renegade with Lorenzo Lamas. I don't know if you guys remember that, long time ago. But I put that on when I'm going to sleep. It gives me a little bit of noise in the background, and it kind of helps me sleep. But yeah, I've been doing that. Let me show you something here that's at the back of the van real quick. Hang on just a second. Let me pop this off and turn this around. There, can you guys see that little den type thing? See, there's a wire fence between me and there. I don't know if you can see the wire fence. But inside there, it's all flattened down like something sleeps there. And I think from the other side, I think it's deer that sleep there. Because I told you about the deer jumping the fence here. They jumped the fence right there. But they've broken my taillight, hitting it with their legs back here. See how my taillight kind of sticks out? They've broken that before. That or there's raccoons that sleep there. Something's sleeping there. I'm not sure what it is. But on the other side of the fence is where they have the concerts. That's called Sugarloaf. They'll be having some more concerts. On Sundays, the kids gather up out there and play soccer. And on Mondays, they have a farmer's market. This is the back of the van area. Over to my left of the van. This whole thing here. There's a big willow tree. You can barely see it right there. But it's like its own little ecosystem in there. There's all kinds of animals that live in there. But yeah, these are all blackberry bushes. I call these killer blackberry bushes. These things will reach out and grab you. I swear, they're the most stickiest blackberry bushes I've ever dealt with. But they grow some pretty nice blackberries back here. I usually get me a cup full of those in the summer and snack on them. Well, I tell you, I'm ready for a haircut. Marla, my friend Marla, said she's going to cut my hair for me at the meetup. She's a hairstylist. But yeah, I need it cut bad. But yeah, it's still easy to wash and stuff, as short as it is. But the shorter the better, kind of. Especially in the summer, it's not near as hot. I never have really liked that short of hair until now, because it's so easy to wash my hair. I mean, like, I can literally take a decent shower with a gallon of water, which is nice. When you're off grid or whatever, you don't have a lot of water, you can get showered up pretty easy. It don't take much to wash my hair at all. I have a lot of hair though. I mean, it may be short, but I have lots of it. And it's thin, just lots of it. When it's long, it's pretty warm in the summer. Remember guys, last year I had it colored black, and it was kind of long. I mean, and I like the black, but I'm just going with, it's just hard to keep up with in the van. And and I'm always wearing hats or scarf or bandanas, and so I've always wore hats and bandanas though. But anyway, well, yeah, not much else going on. I think I'm going to get this video edited. I've already got one uploaded. I'm trying to upload more videos and not release them because I don't know if I'm going to have internet at the meetup. So I want to have some videos to release while I'm there, because I'll be there for 7 days, I think it is. And so I want to be able to have some videos, and what I'll do is set dates to release them, and that way if I'm there and I don't have internet, you guys will have some videos coming in. And then when I get back, I'll edit all the videos I make there and upload them. Yeah, anyway, all right guys, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's always a pleasure to see you. Always fun to talk to you. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace out.